Okay. Okay, guys, you were asking about the leaves in the yard and stuff, and this is it, Libby. We still have a lot of leaves. Some of the trees are empty, and I thought since Grandpa is suffering so bad out here raking, I'd get a picture of him. But see, those trees are almost done. So there's still a lot of big trees here. Oh, what's that?
Look at this, Cal.
Oh no, what is it? Matthew, your balloon, it made it!
Look, Matthew.
It made it! There's your balloon. You know what? I think it would be a good idea to send that back to him and see if it can go the whole way around the world. What do you think, Tone?
I like that idea. Send it back to him.
Okay, let's send it back to the woods. Matthew, we're hoping your balloon comes back to you, okay? Here you go. Keep your eyes open. There it goes, Matthew. It's on its way. Give it about a week, okay? Bye-bye.